Service CRM is LeadSquared's end-to-end, omnichannel customer support suite. It helps agents resolve service requests faster and improve customer satisfaction by bringing marketing, sales, and service insights into one place. In this video, you'll learn how to enable Service CRM on the LeadSquared mobile app as an admin user. Before you begin, ensure Service CRM is enabled on your account. To enable it, contact your account manager. Once enabled and configured, setup is simple. If you're using the legacy mobile app builder, log into the web app. Go to My Profile, Settings, Mobile App, and then Mobile Navigation. Move tickets from hidden menu tabs to visible menu tabs and click Save. If Casa is enabled, go to Builder and select Menu Builder. Edit an existing menu or create a new one. Add tickets under visible menu tabs for both bottom and side navigation. Then click Publish. That's it. With Service CRM on the mobile app, your agents can manage tickets on the go, respond faster, and deliver better customer experiences from anywhere.